Speak Out Through Art is our project that is aiming to address the idea of cultural heritage of people who perhaps are not represented at certain levels in society, or their heritage is not.
It was an amazing experience. I'm always super excited when I can work with students and with the creativity, inspiration and all the energy which is coming from the students, coordinate, supervise, help them also forming the concept, but also working with other members of Vienna, of the local community.
It was great. I think working with the students from a younger age is very interesting for us to see how they consider heritage, how they consider their culture and how they think of themselves.
And Favoriten, where the university is I think the largest expanding district in Vienna, and has a large population of people from a lot of countries who speak loads and loads of different languages and have a wide diversity of cultural backgrounds. So we thought it would be interesting to talk to a school in this area where CEU is located, to do a project with them to teach the students about the concept of cultural heritage, but also to have workshops where they can depict their idea of what their cultural heritage is, and so that we can then put it on display for people in the community to see.
My background, my family, and where I am and where I want to go are two separate parts for them still, and it's difficult for them to put that into one picture yet. But I think this was the first time they could really proudly share their heritage and have this feeling, okay, we belong in two cultures. And someone like a university next door is interested in us. We have to say something. And they want to know.
Okay, this is Serbia.
Yes.
And this is my grandma and grandgrandpa. They are still alive today. And this is my grandma and my grandpa. And maybe you know Novak Djokovic. He's a famous tennis player in Serbia. This is why the tennis racket is here. And these are traditional Serbian jewelries. I wear it too. This is the red one.
I go twice a year.
Twice a year for how long?
For 2 months.
2 months.
2 months.
So you stay quite a while there?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have friends in Serbia?
Yes, the whole village.
A village?
Yes, a village.
Well, then there is like Baba Marta. That's a festival that we celebrate in March. Like only Bulgarians do that. And like we have bracelet that's white and red. Yeah, I like that.
This is tambura. This is a traditional instrument from Croatia. This
What it is like playing?
like a guitar.
And do they play in bands or do they?
Sometimes in band, sometimes in solo.
Also das ist ein Essel, das heißt Flieh. Das ist die Flagge von Istok, meiner Stadt. Hier sieht man auch halt die Stadt, also ein See eigentlich. Und die Hauptstadt von Kosovo ist halt Pristina.
For me it was very nice to kind of bring it out from the children, to get to know their background, their languages, their culture, what they cannot show it in the classroom every day because it's just not part of curricula. So it was their chance to tell and to be open and to let us also like to share their heritage.
I really enjoyed the experience, not only as a project management assignment, but also as a general experience as someone working with culture and trying to deal with different audiences, different artists, and a different understanding of what heritage means. It was a very enriching experience, I think, for the whole group. So it was great. Yeah.
It was an amazing experience because actually I've never thought about it so deep before the workshop, even though I used in music using my cultural heritage, I wasn't so aware of it before the workshop. So thank you to you.
for doing this with me, for this opportunity, and I discover a lot of things even about me and about my music, about other artists' art, and that's why it was really huge.